Kyra from KyraWilliamsFitness.com, and today we are doing a push press with dumbbells and kettlebells. We're going to be doing a 2-arm variation and a single arm variation. So let me show you the dumbbell version with 2 hands. I'll show you the kettlebell version with 2 hands, and then I'm going to show you the single arm variations. So when we do these, we are going to make sure that we start with our feet directly below our hips, and our weights are going to be up here at the tops of our shoulders. When we do our dip, it's not a squat. It's not like this quarter squat. It's literally just a small dip in the knees. When you do this, I want you to make sure that your back stays upright. If we lean forward, we're going to push forward, and that's not what we want to do. We want to push directly up overhead. So it's a tiny dip in the knees, keep the back straight, and then from here, we're taking that dip to load up, and then we lock out overhead, biceps directly by the ears. When I'm in this position, my abs are squeezed super duper tight. Bring the dumbbells back down to the tops of the shoulders, tiny dip to load, press overhead, locking out. When we do them with kettlebells, our kettlebells are going to be in this front rack position. Kettlebells are going to be resting gently on the backs of our upper forearms. So everything's super tight through my core, tiny dip in the knees to load up, drive the kettlebells directly overhead, biceps by the ears. Bring them right back down into that position. Tiny dip to load. So when you think about it, when you get really tired and you have to press overhead, this gets really exhausting on the shoulders. So that tiny dip is just kind of an assistance to get us overhead more efficiently. For the single arm variation, same exact thing. We're just going to start with 1 dumbbell at our shoulder, dip, and drive. The difference is this is going to require more core strength because we're loading you to one side only. So it's going to require a little bit more core strength, but it's also going to develop more core strength. So for more awesome total body exercises like this, sign up for online personal training at KyraWilliamsFitness.com.